How to change your Facebook's location setting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can change location settings on your Facebook app. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you might have allowed a location access or you might not have allowed. Either way, in order to change these settings, open up the Facebook application and then go to the menu page from the top right hand side or the bottom right, and here you'll see this little search button. So you just have to tap on the search button and you want to search for location. Once you search for location, you'll see at the very top location settings. So just go to location settings of your Facebook account, and here you can see that location settings is currently turned off in my case. If I would like to allow location, I'll just need to tap on it, and here it'll ask me to allow Facebook to use location. If I want to allow it and then simply do that, I can go ahead and do that as well. Now I can also choose whether or not I can only allow Facebook all the time or only while using the app or only this time. I can just select only this time or anywhere else and then turn on the location on my own phone as well. So you have to make sure to turn on location on your own phone, and once you do that, you can also go ahead and then turn on background location if you want Facebook to access this device's precise location to location services when you aren't using it. But personally, I always like to turn it off because I don't want any of the apps accessing my location in the background. So I'll just go ahead and turn this thing off, and I'll go to permissions, and I'll also go to location, and I'll just turn off the location option over here as well. And that's all it takes to change location settings on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.